Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero and Highkey Foods to bring you guys something that you have been longing for if you're on the keto diet or a sugar-free diet, and that is Rice Krispie treats. This recipe for keto Rice Krispie treats only involves 4 ingredients, and it is so easy to make. Let's get started. I was super excited when Highkey Foods came out with their line of protein cereals. They have protein rice-like cereals. This one is frosted flavor. They also have a chocolate and a cinnamon flavor too. And this cereal is delicious. Like if you just want to snack on it on its own, it actually tastes like Rice Krispie treats already. But we're gonna jazz it up a bit and really get that flavor of homemade Rice Krispie treats. And the cool thing about these Highkey cereals is that they're 0 net carbs. Besides the Highkey protein cereal, I'm also going to be using butter and then a couple of products by ChocZero. The first one is their sugar-free vanilla syrup. This one is going to add some vanilla flavor. And then I'm also going to be using their white chocolate baking chips. We're going to melt these down and pour it over our Rice Krispie mixture. And this is going to help it stick together, but also give it like a marshmallowy type of flavor. In a medium bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of our Highkey frosted protein cereal. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of ChocZero's vanilla syrup, and a half a cup of ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips. These white chocolate chips are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free, as well as their syrups too. Combine all of these ingredients together and then we're gonna put it into our dish. I recommend laying down a piece of parchment paper in your baking dish. It just makes it easier to pop them out when you wanna enjoy them. You can leave these at room temperature to harden, but I actually recommend putting it in the refrigerator for several minutes. That way it sets quicker and you can get on to enjoying your Rice Krispie treats. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you tag ChocZero and Highkey with your photos of your keto-approved, sugar-free Rice Krispie treats.